As we heal from this disaster, we band together heart to heart. A nation standing in the ashes, but still refusing to fall apart. We are one, we are one, we are strong, we are strong, we will rise, we will rise, we belong, we belong. The tears are heavy, the heartache loud, the hurting nation, but still so proud. In this moment, it feels like we've come undone, but we are warriors, born of the sun. Our faith is shaking, our strength is worn, but we are the people who rise from the storm. In this moment, we may be broken, but we won't come undone. Whoa. Children cry out from hunger, mothers pray not to fall, fathers stare at the wreckage, holding on through it all. The cries for help cut through the night, still we lift our hands toward light. Our homes are shattered, memories lost. Oh, communities walk